Hi there, welcome to Math Help with Mr. Vivi. Today we'll be doing this radical equation. Let's get right into it. So to start with, we isolate the radicals, and that means I take root a plus 12, and I take root a to the other side, that's minus root a, equal to 2. Then to get rid of the square root, I'm going to square both sides. What does that look like? It looks like this: a plus 12 minus the square root of a, all squared, equals to 2 squared. Now, there's a shorthand way of squaring this. All I need to do is square this. The square of this will be a plus 12. And I also square this. The square of that will be a. In the middle, I'm going to write minus. Then I'll write 2. Then in the bracket, I'll write all of this. A plus 12 times a. Okay? Equals to 2 squared is 4. Okay, so next thing I'm going to collect like terms. I'll go a plus 12 minus 2 root. Let's open this. A times a is a squared. A times 12 is 12a, equal to 4. A plus a is 2a. 2.5 a squared plus 12a equal to 4 here. Now I'm going to move all of this to the right hand side. So I'd have minus 2 square root of a squared plus 12a equal to 4 minus 12. Then this minus 2a. So I have minus 2, the square root of a squared plus 12a equals to 4 minus 12 is minus 8. This is minus 2a. To get rid of this minus 2, I'm going to divide through by minus 2. If I divide by minus 2 is going to leave here, and I'll have the square root of a squared plus 12 equal to, now if I divide this by minus 2, I'm going to have minus 8 over minus 2 minus 2a over minus 2. 2 cancels 2. Minus changes minus to plus. Minus cancels minus. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I would have 4 plus a left. So that's 4 plus a. So now I'm going to square both sides one more time. If I square this side, I'm going to have something like this. A squared plus 12. This is 12a, by the way. 12a. A squared plus 12a all squared equals to 4 plus a all squared. Square cancels square root, so I have a squared plus 12a. The square of this, using the shorthand way, I'm going to have 4 squared 16 and a squared. In the middle, I'm going to have 8a because 4 times a is 4a. Multiply 4a times 2, you're going to have 8a. So collecting like terms, I'm going to have a squared minus a squared, as this a squared comes over. Then plus 12a, this 8a comes over, minus 8a equal to 16. A squared minus a squared is 0. 12a minus 8a is 4a equals to 16. So you're going to divide both sides by 4. So a is equals to, okay, let's say 4a over 4 and 16 over 4. 4 cancels 4. A is equals to 4 because 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's the end.